Hello guys, welcome back to Coding Cafe. So in this video tutorial, we will continue our work on the PHP chat app. So in the previous video, we created the design of the sign up file and the sign in file. So in this video tutorial, we will type all the PHP code for the sign up, and in the next video, we will type the code for our sign in file. Okay, so open your text editor and now what we will do is to create a new file, and this file will be saved in the main folder my chat, and we will name this as sign up underscore user.php and save this. And now what we will do is to first open the PHP tags, and inside this PHP tags we will first include the connection.php file, which is the main thing. So it's in the include folder, and the file name is connection.php, and we will add a semicolon over here, and after this we will add an if condition. Oops. Okay, so inside here we will type is set and then brackets, and then we will type dollar underscore post, and then if the sign up button is clicked, I will show you this button. It's on the signup.php file. When the user fill the form and click this button, where is it? Okay, this button, its name is sign underscore up, so we type its name over here on the signup underscore user.php file. And now first we will get the username from the form, so for that we will type the variable name dollar name, and then we will type html entities, and inside this brackets we will type mysqli, and then underscore real underscore escape, and I think it's strings, only string, mysql real escape string. And then we will add another bracket, and then we will first pass the connection variable, and then we will type dollar underscore post, and then the user underscore name. After this we will get the password, so for that we will type dollar pass is equals to, it will be the same as we type over here, so we will just copy this and paste it down below, and we will change this to user underscore pass. And after the password we will get the user email, so for that we will create a email variable, and the code will be the same, just we need to change this to user underscore email. And after the email we will get the user location, so dollar country will be equals to html entities, and we will change this to user underscore country. After that we will get the user gender, the code will be the same, and we will type gender, and then we will create a variable rand, and it will be equals to a function name rand, so the random number will be picked between 1 and 2. I will show you why we are doing or creating this variable random. Okay, so let's first work on our if condition. So if $name is equals to nothing, then what we will do is to show them something on the screen. So we will type script, we will close that script tag, and inside the script tag we will type alert and then brackets, and inside this brackets we will type that we can not verify your name. So what it's mean that if the user leave his uh, name input empty, then it will show that we could not verify your name. Okay, and after this we will add another if condition, and then we will type the function name strlen, and we will pass the variable name pass, and if the password is less than 8 characters, then what we will do is to show them something. So for that we will just copy this code and paste it down below, and over here we will show that password should be minimum 8 characters, and then we will type exit, so it will not move on to the next condition, it will just stop right there. So after that what we will do is to check the user email if it is already present in our database or not. So for that we will just type that check underscore email, and then we will type select all from the users table where user underscore email will be equals to the dollar email variable, and we will finish that with a semicolon. So after this we will create a variable run underscore email, it will be equals to my sqli underscore query, and then we will pass the connection variable and the variable check underscore email, and after that we will create a variable check, it will be equals to my sqli underscore num rows, and we will pass this variable right here and close that with a semicolon. So now we will add an if condition. So if check is equals to 1, if the user entered their email and it is already exist in the database, so what we will do is to show them something on the screen, and for that we will just copy this echo and paste it down below, give a little space, and we will type that email already exists, please try again. And after that we will again paste this and remove this code from inside, or we will just remove that alert function. We'll remove that, and inside this script tag we will type that window.open brackets, and inside this brackets we will type signup.php. We will redirect the user to the signup.php if the email already exists. So, and after that we will type underscore self, and then we will exit this so it will not move on. And now I will show you why I just create this variable rand. So the reason is this, it will choose a random number between 1 and 2. So if the user just clicks sign up, and if the random number set to 1, then it will give user a picture which will be equals to the random number 1, and if it is set to 2, it will give a different profile picture to a user. So Let me just type the code and you will understand more. So for that we will first create a function if, and inside this if condition we will say that if rnd equals to 1, then we will create a variable profile underscore pic, which will be equals to the images folder and then the picture name codingcafe.jpg. codingcafe.jpg. Okay, first let me check the image's name. It's codingcafe1.png. Okay, so codingcafe1.png, and then okay, so remove these brackets and it will be like that, and then if else or else if, I mean, and if the random is set to 2, then we will copy this line of code, add a semicolon first. We will copy this code and paste it down below and change this to codingcafe2.jpg. So it is this images codingcafe1 and 2. It is just a simple avatar. Okay, so that's how this random function will work. Okay, it will give different profile pictures to different users. So after that what we will do is to create a variable insert, and it will be equals to insert into the users table. So I know that we didn't create the users table, but after this we will create the users table really quick. Okay, so let's just first create the users table and then we will continue our code from here. So if we go to our browser, so these are my old table. I will just delete these tables. So now I just deleted all the tables and the database. So now what we will do is to create a new database, and the database name will be my chat. It will be collision. Okay, that's it. We'll click create. So here is our my chat database, and the first table will be the users table, and the number of columns will be, let's just say, 9. Click on the go button. So the first one will be the user underscore id, which will be an integer. It will be length values will be 11. It will be an auto increment, and after that the user name, and then the user pass, user email, user underscore profile, and after the profile then the user underscore country, and after the user country we will add an option for gender, and then forgotten underscore answer, and then log underscore in. I will tell you what is the reason behind these tools. Okay, so don't worry for now. So the user name will be a varchar and its length will be 100. User password will be also varchar and length 100. User email will be varchar and length will be 100. User profile will be also varchar, length will be 255. User country will be text, Gender will be also text. Forgotten password will be varchar. Length will be 100, and this will be also varchar, and its length will be 7. And I think that's it. Now we will just click on this save button. So our new table is now ready. Okay, this is the structure. So now let's get back to our signup underscore user.php file. So now what are we doing is inserting the user's data into our database. So we are inserting the data in the users table. Okay, this table, inside that table, and now what we will do is to first add the username to our database. So for that we will type user underscore name, and then user underscore pass. After that user underscore email, and then user underscore profile, and after the profile we will add the user country, and then in the last the gender. And now we will assign it the values. So we will type values, and then brackets, and the first one is the variable name is $name for the username, and then the second one is $pass. Okay, this names, and after that we have email. After the email what we have is the profile picture. So $profile underscore pic, which is right here, okay, profile underscore pic. And after this we have the country, and after the country we have the gender, and that's it. And in the end we will add a semicolon, and after that we will create a variable query. It will be equals to mysql I underscore query, then the connection variable, we will pass the connection variable, and then the insert variable. After that we will add an if condition. So if $query is correct, it has no errors, then we will echo that congratulations, and then we will display the name of that user, and then after that we will display that your account has been created successfully. And after that we will send them to the signin.php file. So for that we will just paste that and remove that alert function. We will type window.open brackets signin.php, and then underscore self, and then we will add an else condition. Inside this else condition we will echo that registration failed, try again, and then we will send them to the signup.php page. So we will copy that and just change this to signup.php. So in this video tutorial we type all the PHP code for our signup underscore user.php file, and we create the database my chat, and then we create the users table inside it, and the table structure is right here. And now let's just first create this connection.php file inside this include folder. So we will just click on the new file and save this file. The name is connection.php and it is inside in the include folder. Click save, and Here is the connection.php file. So inside this file what we will do is to connect our project with the MySQL server. So for that we'll type or create a variable con, and it will be equals to mysql I underscore connect, and then we will type that local host, and inside here we will type root, and then there is no password on the database, and our database name is my chat, and then we will type die and then we will type connection was not established. Okay, add a semicolon at the end. So now our connection page is also ready, and we use this dollar connection variable in the signup underscore user.php file right here and here. Okay, so let's just connect the signup underscore user.php file with the signup dot where is it, signup.php file. Okay, so now we will remove this because we now have successfully created this file, so now we don't need that comment tags. So here is our signup underscore user.php file. So now I hope that this will work. So let's just give this a try. Now we will go back to our signup.php file, and now let me just first show you that the users table is empty, and the first user will be me, Ali, share, and I will just enter my password and then my email. The country is Pakistan and the gender is male, and then I will just click on I accept the terms of use and privacy policy, and now just click this sign up button, and boom, it just say that congratulations Share, your account has been created successfully. And now if we just check our users table, here is the first user, is its user ID is 1, username is Alicia, user password, email, profile picture, user country, and all of that. And on in these two options we will work in the upcoming videos, so don't worry for that. So now guys, in the next video tutorial we will work on the signup.php file. We will allow user to sign into their account and chat with their friends and family. So this is it for this tutorial, and sorry guys that it takes too long to make the next video tutorial, sorry for that. Now we will add regular videos in 2 to 3 days, so don't worry, we will complete this project. And thank you guys for watching, and subscribe our channel Coding Cafe and press the bell icon to stay tuned.